Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Callistus and today we're diving into one of the most exciting and misunderstood topics in finance, forex trading. Whether you've never placed a trade before or you've heard about people making money trading currencies, this video is going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started safely and smartly. Let's start with the basics. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's the global marketplace where currencies are traded. Every time you travel and exchange money, you're technically participating in forex. Forex is huge. Over $7 trillion is traded every single day, making it the largest financial market in the world. Unlike the stock market, forex runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, because it moves across different time zones, from Sydney to Tokyo, London, and New York. Forex trading is all about trading currency pairs. For example, the euro to US dollar pair shows how many US dollars 1 euro is worth. If you think the euro will rise against the dollar, you buy. If you think it will fall, you sell. Simple idea, right? But remember, you're not physically buying euros. You're trading based on price movements. And here's where leverage comes in. Brokers let you trade with more money than you actually have. This means bigger profits, but also bigger losses. So managing risk is key. Okay, so how do you actually start trading forex? Step 1. Choose a regulated broker. Make sure your broker is licensed by authorities like the FCA in the UK, ASIC in Australia, or NFA in the US. Step 2. Open a demo account. Practice with virtual money until you understand how trades work, no risk involved. Step 3. Learn how to use a trading platform like MetaTrader 4 or 5. That's where you analyze charts, place trades, and monitor your profits or losses. Step 4. Start small. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and always use stop-loss orders to protect your account. Once you've got the basics, try simple trading strategies like trend following, trade in the direction the market is already moving. Breakout trading, enter when price breaks above or below key levels. Support and resistance, identify price zones where the market tends to reverse. And remember, successful traders don't win every trade, they manage risk and stick to their plan. So, that's your crash course in forex trading for beginners. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what forex topic you want me to cover next, maybe technical analysis, indicators, or live trading examples. Subscribe for more trading tips and I'll see you in the next video.